Hello friends, today we are going to talk about a topic that many people feel but very few speak openly about. Why does society ignore husband's problem? Whenever a woman cries, society listens immediately. Whenever a husband suffers silently, people say men should be strong, boys don't cry, need to adjust. But are men really emotionless? Do husbands not feel pain? Do they don't struggle mentally? Today's video is not against women. This video is about understanding men emotionally, especially husbands who silently carry pressure every single day. Watch this video completely because many husbands are silently suffering behind smiles. From the childhood, boys are taught one thing: be strong. If a boy cries, people laugh. If a girl cries, people comfort. Slowly, boys learn hiding emotion is safer. After marriage, pressure increases even more. A husband is expected to earn money, take care of parents, support wife emotionally, handle financial stress, stay calm during arguments, never break down emotionally. But nobody asks him, are you okay? Many husbands suffer silently because society believes men don't need emotional support. This is one of the biggest emotional problem in the modern life, modern families. Many husbands don't speak openly because they fear judgment. They don't want to look weak. They think nobody will understand. They fear losing respect. Sometimes a husband sits alone quietly, not because he is angry, but because mentally he is exhausted. He may be worried about loans, career pressure, family expectations, relationship stress, but society misunderstands silence as ego. Many men are emotionally lonely even inside families. That loneliness slowly becomes stress, anxiety, frustration, depression, but still they continue smiling for families. Society often reacts differently to men and women. If a wife become emotional, people support her. If a husband become emotional, people mock him. If a woman complains, people listen. If a man complains, people say, be man. This double standard hurts many husbands emotionally. Again, this is not about comparing men and women. Both have struggles, but society should understand men also need emotional support. A husband is not just a money making mission, he is also a human being with emotions. Some husbands sacrifice dreams for families, work stressful jobs silently, hide financial struggles, ignore health problems, suppress emotions for years. Some men don't even buy things they like because family responsibilities come first. Many husbands keep happiness just to keep everyone around them happy. But sadly, their sacrifice often go unnoticed. Sometimes all a husband needs is appreciation, respect, calm conversion, emotional understanding. Some words like thank you, I understand you, you are doing enough can emotionally heal a man deeply. One dangerous thing in society is men's mental health is rarely discussed. Many husbands are mentally tired, but instead of support, they receive criticism. A man may look calm outside, but internally he may be fighting with stress, overthinking, emotional pain. Sadly, many men suffer silently because they feel no one cares. Real strength is not hiding pain. Real strength is speaking honestly. Family should create safe emotional spaces where husband can also express feeling without fear. A healthy relationship is not about perfection. It is about understanding. Sometimes husband don't need solutions. They just need someone who listens calmly. A caring partner can appreciate small effects, avoid insulting words during arguments, support emotionally, communicate respectfully, encourage mentally space. Even simple caring action, asking how was your day, sitting and listening, smiling together, encouraging during stress can reduce emotional pressure greatly. Respect is powerful in relationships. At the end, this video is not against wives or women. This video is about emotional balance. Society should understand husbands also cry silently, husbands also feel pain, husbands also need love, respect, and emotional support. A strong family is built when both husbands and wife feel emotionally safe. Let us stop ignoring men's mental health. Let us build relationships with understanding, patience, respect, calm communication. If you agree with this message, share this video with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, sometimes the person smiling outside but is fighting the biggest battle inside. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more emotional and motivational videos.